Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be going to discuss what is the core business activity in the GST portal that is enabled recently. So immediately after logging, you will be going to ask what is the main business activity or the core business activity of your business. So what is all about this? Manufacturer, trader, service provider and others. I will be discussing these three later. First I will be coming to notes points. You can select only one business activity. So out of these three you can select only one option. If you are doing more than one activity, that means you are doing manufacturing activity and you are doing trading activity also, then what is the option? Go to second point. In case all activities are applicable to you, if you are doing more than one activity, then you need to select the core business activity applicable to you. And what is meant by others in option 3? Others include works contract services and other miscellaneous items. And next fourth point, in order to understand the definitions of the manufacturer, trader or service provider, click on information button. So this is the information button. I will be discussing a bit later. So further, if you want to change the option, so first of all, in a hurry situation, you had selected some service provider and click on submitted, and later you came to know that, oh, I am not a service provider and I am manufacturer. So you can do it from navigating my portal to core business activity. I will show how to change this also in this video. So first of all, a small tip to all of you, if you are in a hurry situation and you can't you don't know what is the option applicable to you and you need to file your return immediately, then click on a new tab and click on gst.gov.in, and after immediately your tab will open. Click on returns and go to return dashboard. You can file your all the returns whatever applicable to you, and you can do this later. If you have an option for remind me later here, you can do that, but the portal does not allow us to remind me later option, so you can use this tip. Click on the month applicable for you for the return to be filed. Click on search. You can file your returns. And coming to what is the manufacturer, I will be discussing these three words now. So manufacturer means you are using some equipment or machines, and by using them you are producing some output by using some raw materials or components, then those people will be called as manufacturers. Manufacturers also include some ancillary services. Here a manufacturer may sell some more bought out items or may provide ancillary services. For example, if you are doing a cover manufacturing or a packing material cover, and labeling or fixing of MRP on the label is an ancillary service that you are providing. So those may be included, but the primary work is manufacturing of packing material or cover. So this may include, but what is your primary business activity? Manufacturing. So you will be covered under the manufacturer section, manufacturer item. And coming to trader, a trader is a registered person who engages in buying and selling. Normally buying and selling activities are done by the people, those are covered under the trader. Trader has two options, wholesaler or distributor and retailer. So in these two options you need to select one if you are selected trader option. And coming to service providers, first of all, coming to service provider, the person shall be providing a service and he does not fall under a manufacturer or trader. Okay, first of all, he is doing a service and he does not fall under manufacturer or trader. For example, banking service, IT service, works contract service, agent, intermediate, etc. And GTA means goods transport agencies. Okay, that's it. You need to select any one of the items and click on submit button. If you are in a hurry situation, open a GST new tab and you need to file your returns or you need to done your other works, you can do here. So now we will see how to change the option we already exercised in a hurry situation or by mistake. So go to common portal and go to your my profile. So in the my profile you will have some quick links on the left side of the menu. So go to the last one, core business activity status. So you can change here what the option you need to exercise. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this, comment in the comment section below. I will help you to select the option. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you found this video is useful to your friends or neighbors, please share it. Thank you.